Okay, today we are making roasted drumstick oven. Okay, so we put some salt, drop it, because it's it will be in the oven for roasted, so you can put a little bit more salt. Okay. Then some black pepper. Open the layer of this skin. Okay. Wrap it and then put some butter and put it inside the skin. Okay, make it so that the skin will be, when roasting, the skin will be more crispy and flavorful. So this will be add on later when in the oven. That's about all for now. Seal it. Oops. Into the fridge. So after the marination, then this is how it looks like. And so the next thing is the rosemary. Okay. Like it more, then you can put it more. Okay, so that's about all for now. The onion will be cut into pieces later, and we'll add in only much later while it's cooking in the oven. Probably about 20 minutes or 10 minutes left. At 220 degrees preheat. Okay, you can put the chicken inside. For 40 minutes to 45 minutes. Let it for 42 minutes, sorry, 42 minutes, and let it roast for till then. I'll come back for the final stage. Okay, now that the water is heated, you put some salt. Okay. And then you put the broccoli. And let it boil until it's cooked, probably about 5 minutes, 3 minutes, yeah. Okay, we can turn this off, and it's ready, the cook broccoli for the side dish of the roasted chicken. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it has 14 minutes more, so I'll put the onions, yellow onions in. One yellow onions for two chicken. Okay. Okay. And let it cook until it's 42 minutes set at 220 degrees. Okay, the sound says it's already 42 minutes, so it's done. Let's take it out.